few good test taking techniques that I've seen is, first of all, what students forget a lot is getting good rest and getting something good to eat before the test. You got to eat breakfast. A lot of people skip it. You got to eat it. You got to drink lots of fluids. You have to be ready for the test physically, or you're never going to pay attention to it. Second, use your materials. I'm a math teacher, so use the calculator. Use your formula charts. Use what we give you. And third thing, when you're in class, focus on what your teacher's talking to you about. So for your STAR tests and for your TAKS test, in those different classes, you have to focus on what the teacher's saying so that you can be successful in those materials that the test is going to cover.